Now we are on part 45 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Now let's discuss the different types of keyword research, starting with short tail keywords and long tail keywords. When writing a blog post about pizza recipes, the question arises, should you opt for short tail or long tail keywords? First, let's delve into short tail keywords. These are typically 3 words or shorter phrase. They are concise and broad in nature, representing a general topic or idea. For example, pizza recipes can be considered a short tail keyword as it encompasses the overall theme of pizza recipes without specifying any specific details. Sometimes, there are instances where it consists of 2 keywords in a phrase or even shorter. Consequently, these concise keywords generally experience a significant search volume, indicating higher competition. However, it is important to note that this also implies a potential decrease in conversions. For instance, a short tail keyword such as pizza recipes may seem concise, but it fails to specify whether someone is seeking homemade pizza recipes or recipes from their preferred Italian restaurant. When comparing short tail keywords to long tail keywords, it becomes evident that short tail keywords may lack relevance. The advantage of using long tail keywords is that they typically have lower competition. However, it is important to note that long tail keywords generally have lower search volume. On the positive side, long tail keywords tend to be more closely aligned with the content you are creating, resulting in a higher likelihood of conversion. In essence, the key distinction between short tail keywords and long tail keyword lies in the relevance and conversion rates they offer. To simplify the comparison, short tail keywords can be seen as broad in nature. They have the potential to attract a large number of views or eyeballs, but there is a risk that these viewers may perceive the content as irrelevant. On the other hand, long-tail keywords are more specific and therefore may not receive as much attention. However, they tend to be highly relevant to the content being created. In general, short-tail keywords are characterized by being less than 3 keywords, having high search volume, and facing strong competition. If you choose a broad keyword like pizza recipes, it might take a considerable amount of time and effort to achieve higher ranking for that keyword. Once you do achieve higher ranking, you can expect a significant amount of traffic. However, there is a downside. This traffic may not convert well into desired actions such as engagement, sales, or subscriptions because the keyword is not precisely aligned with the specific topic of your blog post. In other words, although pizza recipes may attract a large number of visitors, they may not necessarily engage or take the desired action on your website. Long-tail keywords are highly specific and typically consist of more than 3 words in the search query. They tend to have lower search volume and competition. As a result, there is a higher likelihood of achieving faster and higher ranking for these long-tail keywords because fewer websites are targeting the same keywords. The advantage of this is that if, for example, you have a blog post about homemade pizza recipes with mushrooms, using the long-tail keyword homemade pizza recipes with mushrooms ensures that you attract the right kind of traffic, people specifically searching for that type of pizza recipe. The chance of this traffic engaging with your content or converting according to your desired actions are generally higher given the relevance of the long-tail keyword to their search intent. An example of a long-tail keyword would be homemade pizza dough recipes. This keyword contains more than 3 words and is highly specific, focusing specifically on recipes for homemade pizza dough rather than general pizza recipes. Long-tail keywords are particularly useful for creating targeted pages, such as blog posts. If you are writing a blog post that specifically covers pizza recipes with homemade dough, using this long-tail keyword would be more appropriate and effective compared to using a generic keyword like pizza recipe. To highlight the differences between a short-tail keyword and a long-tail keyword, let's consider an example using Google's Keyword Planner tool. This tool can be accessed within the Google Ads platform. To find it, navigate to the Google Ads platform and click on Tools, followed by Keyword Planner. The purpose of the Keyword Planner is to provide insights into the search volume associated with specific keywords. Google's Keyword Planner tool displays the average monthly search volume for a keyword based on the data from the past 12 months. In this example, we will compare the search volume for 2 keywords: pizza recipes, which is a short-tail keyword, and homemade pizza dough recipes, which is a long-tail keyword. By entering these keywords into the tool and clicking Get Results, Google will provide us with the respective search volume for each keyword. For the keyword pizza recipes, the average monthly search volume is 33,100 as per the Google Keyword Planner. It is important to note that pizza recipe and pizza recipes are considered closely related keywords by Google, falling under the category of a close relevance. This means that if someone types in pizza recipe, Google interprets it as a user also looking for pizza recipes. So in terms of search intent, there is a close association between the two variations. On average, over the past 12 months, the keyword pizza recipe received 33,100 queries as indicated by the Google Keyword Planner. By hovering over the graph, you can observe the monthly volume breakdown with the average monthly volume shown as 33,100. This allows you to track the actual volume over the past year. Now let's consider the long-tail keyword homemade pizza dough recipe and its close variants homemade pizza dough recipes. The average search volume for this keyword over the past 12 months is 2,400 as provided by the Keyword Planner. This lower number reflects the more specific and niche nature of the long-tail keyword compared to the broader short-tail keyword pizza recipe. There was an increase in volume to 3,600 in December, while in May it reached 1,900 for the long-tail keyword homemade pizza dough recipe. This indicates some fluctuations in search volume over recent months, although the average remains around 2,400. Comparatively, short-tail keywords tend to have higher search volume, while long-tail keywords have lower search volume, but still significant enough. These differences highlight the varying characteristics of short-tail and long-tail keywords. Additionally, Google's Keyword Planner provides insights into the competition for these keywords, allowing users to gauge the level of competition for each. Based on the information provided, it appears that the competition is low for both the short-tail keyword pizza recipe and the long-tail keyword homemade pizza dough recipe. This knowledge can guide us in optimizing our blog post and aiming for high ranking on Google, potentially even securing the top spot. For this specific long-tail keyword homemade pizza dough recipe, we can anticipate approximately 2,400 search queries. However, it is important to note that it isn't likely to receive all 2,400 clicks, but a significant portion of those clicks can be expected. While the exact number of clicks cannot be determined, it is reasonable to anticipate a considerable volume of traffic for that keyword. Longer tail keywords still hold promise because they have some search volume associated with them. Conducting proper keyword research involves utilizing tools like Google's Keyword Planner within Google Ads. By entering keywords into this tool, we can gauge their average search volume. When selecting keywords, it is crucial to consider search volume as indicates the potential traffic we can attract. For example, the keyword homemade pizza dough recipe has an average monthly search volume of 2,400, although we may not capture all of those clicks. Additionally, it is important to evaluate the competition level. Google's Keyword Planner provides a rating of high, medium, or low for competition. However, for a more comprehensive understanding of competition, further analysis is recommended since competition plays a vital role in keyword selection. To determine the level of optimization for a keyword, I aim to obtain a more precise numerical assessment rather than relying solely on Google's Keyword Planner tool, which provides ranking of low, medium, or high competition. To accomplish this, I can perform a search on Google itself. For example, if I search for pizza recipes, I can observe that there are approximately 1 billion results. However, it is important to note that this includes all web pages mentioning pizza recipes, not just those specifically optimized for the keyword. To gain a better understanding of who is actively optimizing for the keyword pizza recipes, I can utilize the all-entitled syntax. By searching all-entitled pizza recipes, I can narrow down the results to only display web pages with pizza recipes in the title tag. As a result, the number of relevant pages decreases to 336,000. This approach provides a more focused and specific perspective on the level of optimization for the given keyword. The keyword pizza recipes has around 336 search results specifically in the title tag. Searching for homemade pizza dough recipe yields approximately 35 million results. However, this large number doesn't indicate the level of competition. To get a clearer picture, I can use the all-entitled syntax by searching all-entitled homemade pizza dough recipe. This narrows down the results to pages that have keyword in their title tag. In this case, there are 2,160 distinct results. Examining the top search results, we find optimized titles like homemade pizza dough recipe, and homemade pizza dough recipe for beginners. This provides a more useful metric for assessing the competition for this keyword. And that ends the part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 46.